Welcome to Perpetual Protocol, the ultimate decentralized platform for trading crypto futures. This video will walk you through every key feature of the platform so you can start trading confidently and maximize your earning potential. To begin, navigate to the Perpetual Protocol website, where you'll notice a sleek and intuitive user interface designed for seamless trading experiences. The homepage highlights the platform's main features: deep liquidity, zero slippage, and decentralized, permissionless trading. Start by connecting your crypto wallet. Click the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner, choose your preferred wallet, like MetaMask, and approve the connection. Once connected, you'll gain access to the trading dashboard. Here, you can browse various trading pairs and leverage options. With clear, real-time data on price movements and liquidity.to make your first trade, select a trading pair from the list. Perpetual Protocol offers popular pairs like BTC/USDT and ETH/USDT, among others. Choose the desired leverage level, up to 10x, and specify the trade size. You'll notice the projected margin and collateral requirements displayed for your reference. Confirm the trade details and hit the Open Position button. The platform executes trades with zero slippage, ensuring your orders are filled exactly as specified. For earning opportunities, explore the staking and liquidity provision sections. By staking perp tokens or providing liquidity to the platform's pools, you could earn rewards while supporting the network. These features are accessible from the Earn tab on the menu bar. Before you dive into the advanced features, here's a quick tip. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. The sign-up link and bonus for new users are in the description. Don't miss out. Return to Perpetual Protocols. Trade tab to explore tools like stop loss and take profit orders, which allow you to manage risk effectively. The Analytics dashboard offers detailed insights into your trading performance, including realized and unrealized profits. To help you refine your strategies, don't forget to claim any trading rewards from the Rewards section, where frequent users are incentivized for their activity on the platform. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader, Perpetual Protocol ensures an optimized trading journey with minimal fees and maximum flexibility. Enjoyed this comprehensive guide? Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto insights, and share this video with your network.